Liz and Eric here with Roscoe's Restorations. We've been talking for a little bit about how we're going to eventually be expanding, and we're going to be working on that today. Got a bunch of rock delivered. It's not anywhere near what we're going to need, but it's a start. So we're going to be spreading that out. Other than that, we are going to be working on the starter and the fuel pump today, and we might try to get to the door locks. We'll see how that goes.
Parts are hard to find. Don't mess around. Yeah. Yeah, you're better off taking the screw off or the bolt on the inside out.
I did.
Oh, it's out?
Yeah.
So. Oh, look at that. That's too old. Planting flowers for you.
Planting flowers. He's so sweet.
So, what I figured out why the truck wouldn't start is because, let's come this way, it's getting windy. So, we thought we messed something up in here. When we were pulling it apart, we weren't. Nothing to do with it, right? So, was sitting out here crying for a little bit, and then figured out that the push button's bad. So that's why it won't start. But now it starts because I can jump it and I can still turn it off and on with this toggle switch. So I think we're gonna wait for the ignition switch to come in, or the key tumbler to come in, so we can actually turn on the car to get accessory lights. And then we might see where we're at there, and we might put a fancy push button in if we have to. But yeah, that's the problem, and I'm glad we figured this out because it was driving me nuts. But yeah, now I think we should do a fuel pump because she's running rough. Oh, that's really long. I wonder if I could screw that off of there. Oh man. This one's gonna leak. This one's gonna leak. Shoot. Okay. What's that one? Really?
Oh. No.
Let's see what size this could be. Oh, first try, baby.
Nailed it.
Let's see that gas come out, girl. I love a good gas bath. Yeah, I can't get to her now. There we go. You know what?
What?
I should probably. There's a lot of line there, right?
Yes.
So if I cut this, we can free up some of that excess line so it doesn't get caught somewhere.
Yeah.
Yep. Sounds like a good idea. You stop about right there. Ooh, ooh, yeah. All right. Take that off of there.
So what size was that?
1/2 inch.
Okay.
See, I can get to those probably up there. Better, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what size those are though. Let's try a wrench to see. I can't. Oh, that wasn't even tight. Huh. I'm guessing it's a 9/16. Sure. Oh, that wasn't even tight either. Who put this on? Oh, wow. What's coming out of there? Huh, gas. I think. Nope, oil. I can't reach it. I ran out of room. I can't believe these weren't tight. At least the oil stopped dripping. That's good. There. That right there. I think I'm gonna have to get this one with the ratchet because I can't get my fingers in there. Oh, yep. I think this is how you put it in.
From here it looks good.
I think it's straight. Oh, you get this one in there. I'll just get it as tight as I can when I use the wrench. Walking right here. That's pretty tight this time. And for this one. That's the fuse, I swear. Okay, that's tight. Alright. Now, what way? I know which way. Pretty sure. It's why is it so jacked up right here? With kink.
A kinky hose.
Maybe if and when we build our shop,
Oh, we're building it.
can we get one lift? Just one.
Absolutely.
This is killing me.
At least
I
one.
think we're gonna do it.
Had to do a little rerouting here because this fuel hose was coming down. It was touching the exhaust right there. So brought it back up, ran it along these right here and through. Now, as we know, because we like to do things twice, we will probably later replace that hose just to make sure we'll be safe on power tour. But at least for now, it seems okay.
Keep. Oh.
Battery.
First. It's not pumping,
It's not leaking.
but it's not pumping in this way.
There it goes.
There you go.
There we
Keep
go.
going. Come on. Fill up.
Look at that.
We took a lot out of me. Oh, everything's hot down here. I think we're going to let it cool.
So what are you using now?
A ratchet, I can't get it. It's too big. Now, all right, I got that one started up top if you want to start railing on it.
Okay. New starter's on. There is no good way to get any kind of video or anything for that, but it's on. Now that we've done the fuel pump and the starter, let's see if it starts. Oh, that sounds nice. That's much better. Sure did.
Sounding way better.
Okay, so we got the starter done. We got the fuel pump done. I blinked. Too much fuel fumes. Can't talk.
Yeah.
So we got those done. We got the mirror on the driver's side and we got the lock on the driver's side. We're waiting on the key tumbler for the ignition hopefully that'll be here sometime this week and we can take care of that. And it looks like we need a new master cylinder, so this is fun. This is so fun. We'll get that ordered and then we'll do a video on that.
Still the wiring.
Oh, we still have wiring, of course. We're avoiding that. We can only avoid it for so long, but we're going to avoid it just for this moment. So we've still got that going, all the taillight wiring and everything. We'll get back to that. But that's it for now. We want to thank everybody who is a new subscriber. We want to thank all of our current subscribers, everybody who likes the videos. Subscribe and get those notifications. And we'll see you next time.